But here's something many car owners don't realize. The quality of what you buy matters more than anything else. This is where many people get it wrong. They go for cheaper options, thinking they're saving money, but in reality, they're setting themselves up for more problems. Because fake or low quality, weaker materials, poor finishing, low durability, they wear out quickly, fail unexpectedly, and sometimes even damage other parts of your car. So instead of fixing the problem once, you keep fixing it again and again, spending more money, wasting more time, and dealing with more stress. Now ask yourself, is it really worth it? Or is it better to do it right the first time? This is why choosing the right supplier is just as important as choosing the right part. At Royal Cup and G Autos, we understand what your car truly needs. Our parts are tested, trusted, and built to handle real road conditions. No shortcuts, no fake products, no repeated failures, just reliable quality that gives you peace of mind. Because when you're driving, you shouldn't be worrying about breakdowns. You should be confident that your car will move when you need it to, turn smoothly when you steer, and get you to your destination safely. That confidence starts with using the right parts. So don't wait until you're stranded on the road. Don't ignore the warning signs. Take action early. Fix the problem properly.
Keep your ride smooth, powerful, and reliable with premium CVT and S2 transmission fluid. Your engine and transmission work as one system. And the right fluid keeps everything running effortlessly, reducing friction, preventing overheating, and ensuring seamless gear shifts. Over time, old or contaminated fluid loses its strength, leading to rough driving, reduced performance, and costly damage. Regularly changing your CVT fluid isn't just maintenance, it's protection for your investment. Don't wait for warning signs. Stay ahead and keep your vehicle performing like new. At Royal Cup and G Autos, we deliver trusted, high-quality CVT and S2 oil designed for durability and peak performance. With fast delivery, guaranteed authenticity, and customer satisfaction at our core. We are your go-to plug for genuine auto parts. Drive smarter, drive smoother. Choose Royal Cup and G Autos today.